Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to give information about 5G. 5G stands for 5th generation mobile network. In spectrum, it lies between 0.6 to 40 gigahertz, and it is a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G and 4G networks. 5G will enable a new kind of network which will connect everyone with everything. There are three different bands in 5G spectrum. First is low band spectrum. It provides speed up to 100 megabits per second, and telecom companies generally use this band for consumer purposes. Second is the mid-band spectrum. It is used by industries and special factory units. Third comes high band spectrum. With this, the concept of Internet of Things would be possible. On 1st of October 2022, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched 5G, and giant companies like Jio, Airtel, Vodafone Idea and Adani purchased different bands in the auction. The government sold 20 years of license worth 1.5 lakh crore rupees. Companies like Jio, Airtel, Vodafone Idea purchased the band specifically for the consumer purposes, whereas the Adani group purchased the band specifically for the industrial purpose, not for the consumer purpose. The superpowers which 5G will bring is that the concept of Internet of Things would be actually possible. All the things around us would be connected to the internet and will lead to sharing of data, and which will make all the things around us more intelligent. Second advantage is that we see in 4G network the maximum speed record was 1 gigabits per second, but with the coming of 5G the maximum speed will be 20 gigabits per second. The challenges which the 5G will face is that in India the fiber connectivity is up to only 30%, but for the success of 5G it should be minimum 60%. And second challenge is that because of high spectrum pricing, it will also be a concern for the middle class people. Coming to conclusion, for making the concept of Internet of Things possible, a good infrastructure is required. Also, the local 5G hardware manufacturing should increase its production, and with the coming of 5G, the gap between the rural areas and the urban areas will also decrease. Thank you, gentlemen.